KONE MonoSpace R7 MRL at 1 Annand Street, Toowoomba City.
And where it differs from the other R7s in town, it's got rear doors. That wasn't unlocked last time I was here. It's got rear doors.
Okay. Which number
Very
one?
nice, very nice sounding eco disc on this. And KAU1.
Yeah. 1,000 kilos, 13 persons, 2007. I'll do a cab view.
Is everything just going to be unlocked? Wait, where's the locking going? This was unlocked last time.
Like, I think upper ground's locked.
Yeah. No, it kind of really blew all of our chances, but no one's going to stop us.
Okay.
Directional KAU1 as well, it's getting even
Yeah.
better.
Yeah.
You might want to try filming the indicator.
Okay. It's got a high pitch KAU1. Do we exit it here?
Yeah. Do you want to film that as well? I don't know if you're filming it as well. It's unlocked.
You gonna hop in it, Jaden? Okay. Maximum load 340 kilos, 4 persons.
I'm going to go with that. I'll see if I can do it. And you press it.
Does it go by any faster?
No, I don't think so actually. When it goes, it's literally silent when it's coming down, but when it goes up it makes noise.
There it is.
Can we go up on it?
Yeah. There it is.
Yeah, it's also got a lift registration.
Yeah, it's
I didn't even notice that.
installed 2 years ago.
What is it? 2023.
Yeah, 2023. Like just a little bit over 2 years ago.
Alright.
Should it close up?
No, you close it. Just shut it and lock it. There you go.
And that's it.